This tutorial is about rotations. And just a reminder, the definition is it's a type of transformation that turns a shape around a fixed point. A lot of the times it's around the origin. Okay, and there are two ways you can do this. You can make a shape go clockwise, or you can make a shape go counterclockwise. And generally, they stick with these degrees in terms of the turn: 90 degree, 180 degree, or 270 degree turn. So a lot of times it's way easier to take what you have and use a piece of what they call patty paper because it's see-through and I can very easily trace and then perform the turn. Okay, so what I do is I get where the origin is. See, I've copied that. And then I also copy the shape that I want to rotate. This will tell me exactly where the points end up after each of the rotations. Okay, so if I'm rotating this clockwise, I'm going to go 90 degrees. That means I'm watching this here. That right there is a 90-degree turn. Now I can easily tell where each of these points end up. All right, so if I go back here and I say, now I want to rotate it 180 degrees, that means there's 90, and then 180 would be over here. And I can tell again exactly where those points would end up. If this is 180, then going one more time would give it the 270-degree turn. That is going clockwise. What if I wanted to go counterclockwise, meaning going in the opposite direction? Well, a 90-degree counterclockwise turn would be this way. Okay, 180-degree clockwise turn, 1, 2. And then again, if I go one more time counterclockwise, that gives me 270 degrees. And I can tell exactly where those points end up if I needed to write down the coordinates. Okay, I hope this helps.